In this video, I will show you how to replace the evaporator temperature sensor in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. This small sensor plays a big role in your air conditioning system. It monitors the temperature of the evaporator and helps prevent it from freezing. If the sensor goes bad, you might experience poor cooling, the compressor cutting in and out, or not running at all. The evaporator temperature sensor is located inside the HVAC housing, behind the dashboard, directly on the evaporator core. Luckily, you do not have to remove the entire dash or HVAC housing to access it. Kia placed the sensor so that you can reach it easily from the passenger side. Look under the dashboard in the foot valve area. You will see this panel on the side of the floor center console. You just have to remove this panel to access the evaporator temperature sensor. Before you begin, make sure the engine is turned off. The cover is held in place by a few clips on one side. To remove it, go to the edge of the cover that faces the seats. Slide your fingers behind the lower edge and gently pull outward. As you pull, you will feel the clips release one by one with a light popping sensation. Once the clips are free, slide the panel out of its rear mounting point. With the panel out of the way, you can now see the side of the evaporator core housing. This is the electrical connector for the evaporator temperature sensor. To remove the sensor, twist it a quarter turn in the counterclockwise direction to unlock it. Then pull it straight out of the evaporator housing. To disconnect the connector, press the small tab on the side, then pull the connector straight out. Here is a close-up of the evaporator temperature sensor. You can also test the sensor before installing a new one. To do this, use a multimeter to measure the resistance between the terminals of the sensor. Compare the reading to the following chart to ensure the sensor is functioning correctly. If the resistance is out of the specified range, it means the sensor is faulty and should be replaced. Take your new temperature sensor and reconnect the electrical connector. Then insert it into its slot on the evaporator housing. Twist it a quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place. Next, reinstall the side panel. First, align the rear tab with its mounting slot and slide it into place. Then press the panel firmly along the edge to engage all the clips. Make sure the panel is properly seated and flush with the surrounding trim. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to WeJoin for more automotive maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.